Do not follow me. I am not proud of the choices I made, but I did what was necessary. Kyrus knew what I had done, and he let me carry on. He understood, even if you never will.
The traitor has gone to ground, Commander. Thaddeus has retreated to a fortified Black Legion base on Argent Glacier. The area is dense with enemies, but we cannot allow that to stop us. We cannot let Thaddeus escape retribution. The Black Legion is present in large numbers. Beyond their main stronghold, they have at least 2 satellite camps. Patrols stalk the area between these strong points, ready to pounce. There may well be other defenses which we cannot detect from orbit. A direct assault is possible, but that strategy gives up our only 2 advantages: surprise and discipline. The traitor legions lack discipline. Their patrols are more interested in finding something to kill than actual reconnaissance. I doubt they have any established reporting rights or patrol rotation. If we engage and destroy the patrols quickly, their absence will go unnoticed. The same is true of the satellite camps. We can move from target to target, weakening the enemy, until we can strike at the main base and exact retribution.
Cyrus's strategy is sound, Commander. His analysis of the traitor legions aligns with the Codex. Cyrus was not on Kronus, however. Eliphas showed himself time and again to be supremely cunning. He knows well the weaknesses of his slaves. I cannot help but feel he will have taken steps to address them.
Followed. Could you not just leave things be for once?
We do not overlook betrayal, Thaddeus.
You think I betrayed you? I did this to save us. All of us.
Thaddeus still has access to our Vox channels, Commander. I am marking his location on your map display, along with 2 other Black Legion outposts. Eliminate those to weaken the main stronghold. Keep a sharp eye out for patrols. Blood Ravens! Kill them all!
Eliminate that patrol!
Loyalists, to the hunt!
Weapons ready. Brothers, we go.
Night Stalker Squad is still hunting. They ignore summons.
I do not wish to kill you, but you are not leaving me much choice. There never was a choice.
If you have pledged yourself to Ulker, you have already made the only choice that matters. You have chosen heresy.
You were not there, my good. We stood up. We faced the hive mind. We saw the Armageddon destroyed, and we knew we could not win! I did what I had to.
Element is under attack.
Chapter. Eastern outpost ahead. Strike swiftly, lest they raise an alarm.
too late. This does not have to end in death.
Trying to save us again? Well,
It is pointless to argue with you. I did what I had to in order to stop the Tyranids.
Serving the Black Legion has nothing to do with the Tyranids.
Not the Black Legion. Ulker. I heard the demon whisper to me on that battlefield. He said he could open the war. He could allow the Litany of Fury to reach Typhon. If not, Captain Angelos and the rest of our brothers would never escape the war. He asked so little in return.
Squads no longer respond!
You are too eager to believe the lies of demons, Thaddeus.
You cannot know. You were not on Typhon.
No, I was on the Litany of Fury facing down the hive mind itself. I fought that terrible intelligence for weeks, child. I felt it die as the biotoxin reached the central hive ship. There was no demonic hand in that victory.
holy terror! This planet is falling apart at our feet!
Outpost is near, Commander. We must deal with it quickly to prevent an alarm. We have engaged.
One of our own has died.
Strike quickly, before they can report. Time is against us.
To the next target. Enemy located.
Make for the stronghold!
Eliminate the traitors!
Not really find us alone.